Brendan Gaughan. Up front though, Justin Lofton. He's got a truck length advantage over Timothy Peters.
Here comes Busher flying around the outside, trying to take that spot back. Caution is on the speedway. Problem for John West Townley coming off turn number 4. Sorry, Deb, go ahead. Caution is on the speedway. John West Townley made contact with the outside retaining wall. Glancing blow for him. He has brought that machine to the bottom of the racetrack. That Toyota making contact with the outside retaining wall, and that will put us under the caution line. Field continues to work its way around the racetrack. We do welcome you to Texas Motor Speedway and thank you for joining us for tonight's Winston World Casino 400 NASCAR Camping World Truck Series race. Early in, just 4 laps in, our first caution of the evening with John West Townley. Don't expect a whole lot of activity on pit road so early into this race, but you never know. There might be some takers. We'll have to wait and see. It's been a big day so far here at the Great American Speedway with the Eyes on IndyCar Series. Qualifying earlier today, Alex Tagliani winning the pole for tomorrow's Firestone 550. Dario Franchitti on the outside of the front row. And we have the Global Rallycross Championship as well, having a practice and seeding session. They're going to be on the track tomorrow for their big race here at the Great American Speedway. Again, working lap number 5, just 4 laps into this WinStar World Casino 400. NASCAR Camping World Truck Series race, points leader Justin Lofton. Working caution for the first time here this evening at the WinStar World Casino 400K. Justin Lofton is the race leader. Caution coming out for an incident involving John West Townley. Here at Texas Motor Speedway, this is the Motor Racing Network with the NASCAR. Again, Justin Lofton continuing to lead the way. It looks like we're going to have at least one more lap before as they run right now. Justin Lofton leading the way, followed by the number 17 of Timothy Peters. James Busher in that number 31 has worked his way up to the 3rd spot, followed by the number 3 of Ty Dillon. Then it's the 2 truck of Brendan Gaughan, a 4-time Texas winner. Behind him is the 6-time Texas winner, Todd Bodine. Parker Kligerman in the number 29 truck. He is 7th on the track right now. Then it's Nelson Piquet Jr. in the number 38. The 88 of Matt Crafton is 9th. The number 9 of Ron Hornaday Jr. is 10th. That's your top 10 as they run right now here at Texas Motor Speedway in the WinStar World Casino 400 as they follow that Chevrolet Pace truck around the 1.5-mile oval into turn number 3. No qualifying here yesterday. It got rained out. It was lined up by the NASCAR rulebook, which put Justin Lofton on the pole for this race, and he is trying to prove that he earned that by being the points leader in the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series so far, leading the opening laps of this race. Fort Worth, Texas, just 5 laps into the WinStar World Casino 400K for the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series. Wrapping up the first caution of the evening. Caution flag coming out when 22-year-old John West Townley, a Sunoco Rookie of the Year candidate, got loose coming off turn 4. Timothy Peters 2nd, James Busher 3rd, Ty Dillon 4th, and Brendan Gaughan in 5th. Todd Bodine will restart at 6th, Parker Kligerman 7th, Nelson Piquet Jr., Matt Crafton, and Ron Hornaday Jr. will round out the drivers that will be started in the top 10. Don't forget that tonight's broadcast is the first part of a triple-header weekend for the Motor Racing Network. Coming up, live coverage will be offered tomorrow on MRN Radio, the Info Gear traffic 4:15 Eastern Time from the Mid-Ohio NASCAR course in Lexington, Ohio. And then on Sunday afternoon, live coverage of the Pocono 400 presented by #NASCAR, the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series. Again, our live coverage from Long Pond, Pennsylvania begins at 12 noon Eastern Time on Sunday on the all-new repaved Pocono Speedway. Very fast Pocono Raceway and 100 miles less, a brand new distance, brand new surface. We can't wait to bring you all the action. Matter of fact, when we get checkers tonight, we're back to the hotel, and a good number of us are going wheels up, headed to the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, the Long Pond, Pennsylvania Metroplex, to bring you live coverage of that event again noon on Sunday. Here we go. Green flag back in the air. Lap 7 goes on board. Diving off into the 19th turn number 1. Timothy Peters breaks out just a bit, just about a foot or so over Justin Walton off of turn number 2, but everybody stacked up in double wide formation on the backstretch.
2x2 all the way from the front, all the way back to the tail, side by side to the front as well. Downstairs, Peters goes outside. Here comes Justin Walton. Turn number 4.
The battle will stay door to door ever since Green Flag. Outside lead to his advantage, but Timothy Peters has the short.